Plaza Premium. This is Plaza Premium. You can see it anywhere. Yeah, maybe here. What is this? Mushroom soup. Mushroom soup. Oh, it's good. Rice. Rice, fried rice. Carbonara, pasta also. Egg. Oh, good. You need it good, Shara, because we arrive after 6 hours only.
6 hours?
Yes. Yes. Fruit salad. What is beer? Leon. I don't want to drink beer, but a bottle I like. You know why. Watermelon, what is this? Ice maybe? This is ice. Coffee. Tea. Orange. Okay. Vodka. Yes. It's for Han Resort. What Shara want to take? What is this, Shara? Potato, no? Spicy chicken. This is spicy chicken. Caldereta. I don't know where spoon. Here, have. Okay. Our food. Вот Shara choose. Curry egg, caldereta, rice, vegetable. Leon. What take Leon? Leon take only rice, curry egg, little bit, water and juice. Shara, of course, cola. Already going to boarding right now from Premium Plaza.